Cocktails for Dad, one of celebrating Father's Day in Phoenix. Stingray Sushi offered this recipe to celebrate dads. It's the Oak and Smoke cocktail, a variation of the whiskey sour, mixing bourbon, lemon juice and honey with the zesty flavors of ginger liqueur and bitters topped with a smoking cinnamon stick. Oak and Smoke. Ingredients. 1. The 2 ounces Basil Hayden Bourbon. 2. 5 ounces Domaine de Canton ginger liqueur. 3. 75 ounces lemon juice. 4. 75 ounces honey syrup. 5. The 1 Angostura bitters. Add all ingredients in a cocktail shaker with ice. Shake and strain into a rocks glass. Garnish with an orange peel and charred cinnamon stick. If you are serving adult beverages for Dad's party, try these other special cocktails from local Arizona mixologists.